Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss our topic, grammar topic, noun and its type. What is noun? There are so many words in this world are having a name like sofas, markers, whiteboard, fan, ceiling, walls, door, windows. You are also seeing so many names of things around you. So there are basically four types of noun. Now, they are naming words, names of persons, places, things and ideas. And all type of birds, insects are included in this class. They are considered as things. Basically, there are four types of noun: person, places, things, and ideas. Ideas meaning it can be honesty, it can be bravery, it can be boldness, courage, anger, like these things, greed, even etc. And these are the basic types of noun that we use in our grammar and sentences. Common nouns are very general, they are not specific. They are very general or common. For example, I call a boy, oh boy, please listen to me. You cannot see, you cannot tell me I am calling a specific boy. It can be random, anyone can be come to me. Yes, but if I give a specific name to that boy like Ahmad Rizwan, that becomes a proper noun. We can say that common nouns are general nouns, proper nouns are specific noun. For example, writer is a name of a person, place, city is a name of a place, company is name of a thing. Same like that, proper nouns are having a specific particular name of that entity. Iqbal is a name of a person, Lahore is a name of a place, and Microsoft is a name of a company. The next type of noun is a concrete noun. The nouns can be perceived by five senses, can be touched, can be heard, can be even watched, and we can taste them, we can even touch them, like table, dog, and apple. They are actually perceived by senses. They are physical form of noun. Every noun that is having a physical form, that is called concrete noun. If noun has no physical form, that is called abstract noun. It cannot be perceived by senses. Abstract noun has not any body, any physical form. It cannot be touched, it cannot be tasted, it cannot be even by ourselves. That these nouns are, for example, love, courage, freedom, honesty, anger, hunger, etc., greed, love even. Next type is a collective noun. Collective noun that shows a group of things, group of persons, group of even places, collection of something. Collection of something is called collective noun. Collection of something in the form of a group. For example, team, flock, a group of birds, herd, group of cattle, animals, family, group of family members like parents, brother, sister, daughter, son. Compound noun are formed by combining two or more than two words. Compound noun are formed by combining two nouns or more than two nouns. Like tooth is a one noun, paste is a one noun. When we combine them, we create a new noun. Toothpaste. Bed is a different entity and room is a different entity. Room is a name noun of a place. Bed is a name of a thing. When we combine them, join them, we gather them, it becomes a bedroom. post office. We can say that by combining these nouns are formed. Countable, that can be counted in numbers 1, 2, 3, a, 2, a, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That can be counted. So many things are over there that can be counted. Like 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, or 5 apples. A car, 3 cars. Uncountable nouns that cannot be counted, like water. Water cannot be counted. We cannot say that a water, 2 water, 3 water. Like all metals, all metals like gold, silver, mercury, even gases cannot be counted. Even liquids cannot be counted, like milk. 1 milk, 2 milk, 3 milk, 5 milk cannot be. 1 honey, 2 honey, 3 honey cannot be counted. Information, and we have no plural of information. Even rice cannot be counted here and here. Gerund is a specific noun. Gerund is a specific noun that is actually formed from a verb by adding ing at the end of a verb. That becomes a noun. It functions also in a sentence as a noun. It is a verb by adding ing. It becomes a noun. They name activities and actions. Like running. Like running is a good exercise. Here we can say that, and we can observe that we analyze this noun which is functioning as a subject into a sentence. So run is a verb, adding ing it becomes running. That becomes a noun, functions as a noun. So it's a gerund noun. So dear student, I enjoy reading. You know, very read is a verb, reading is a noun as a functioning as a gerund noun. Like swim to swimming is my favorite sport. Function of noun in a sentence is very simple. In a sentence, it can be a subject, and object. Subject and object basically are naming words. They are nouns, but the function of subject is different from an object. Subject is specific, performing something. It performs something, some action in a sentence. Actor, we can say that subject is a noun that performs something. It is called subject. It is also called an actor. But when a noun is used as an object, the function of it is very different, because object has a specific particular function. Object always receives an action of a subject. For example, I say boy goes to school. There are two naming words in this sentence. One is a boy, second is a school. A boy is performing something, actually he is going to school. So that's why it becomes a noun as a subject. An actor who is actually doer of some action, who is going to school. School is a name of a place, but function of a word school is actually receiving the comingness of boy. So that's why it becomes an objective. Dear student, Ahmed reads a book. Ahmed is actually reading a book. Ahmed is performing some kind of an action. He is performing some kind of something like reading. Ahmed becomes an actor, is a subject who is a doer something, and book is actually receiving the action of Ahmed. So that's why book becomes an object. Hope so you can understand the lecture very well. Thank you so much.